Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix connection issues with your Fresh and Rebel Twins 3. So take a look. When I try to connect them to my phone, I will get the notification that they cannot communicate. So to fix that issue, you have to simply go back from the Bluetooth settings on your device and then restart Bluetooth. So turn it off and then turn it on back. Next, you have to put both earbuds inside this charging case, close this case, and click and hold this button until indicator blinks 3 times white. Right now we can release that button and open the charging case. Now select to pair new device on the Bluetooth settings and take a look for available devices list. As you can see right now, we can find them another time and we can also find the pairing request. So yeah, that's all. Hope you like it.